Hi, during this quick demo, we'll be showing how to enable the ServiceNow integration with LaunchDarkly. Let's first go to the integration section. Let's find the ServiceNow platform. We need to configure the connectivity to ServiceNow through this interface. We click here the connect to ServiceNow. We'll see some fields here that we need to fill. First, let's have a look here. We need to copy this link inside our ServiceNow configuration. Then we'll copy some information from the ServiceNow platform into these fields so that we enable the integration. Let's first find the ServiceNow host URL. From where do we get that? We need now to switch to our instance of ServiceNow that we've created, and we are admin on. On the ServiceNow, after your login from your ServiceNow platform, you will need to find the system OAuth menu item, and under application registry, you click it. You will get multiple options. You need to go to new to create a new one. You'll create an OAuth API endpoint for external clients. Let's click it. We'll give it a name. We'll say LaunchDarkly. Say V1. As instructed here, we'll leave the client secret blank to automatically generate a string. Here, the redirect URL. This is where we need to copy information from our LaunchDarkly platform. Let's go back here, copy our connection, and go back here and paste it. We'll leave the logo URL blank for now. This is just for aesthetics. We'll just put a note. Everything else will leave blank. We need to come back and copy this client. Let's do it now. Copy it. We'll go back here and we'll paste it. We would need also our site link. It's going to be here. And we need to copy it. The ServiceNow URL. And in our ID, we need to copy this into that. I'm just gonna copy this again. Yes. So, and now I will register the OAuth provider. And now we are getting the confirmation that ServiceNow is requesting the integration to happen and will allow it. Now we have it up and running. Not finally, but yes, let's update our now we have it ready in both areas. Now the final point that we need to take care of, now we can find that the service integrator showing that it is connected now to ServiceNow. We need to go back to the account settings. We select the project that we want to enable that for. We have a project already done for that, which is the ServiceNow. Select which environment that we want to enable that for. In our situation, let's say the production environment, and we'll select the approval settings. In here, we have two options, LaunchDarkly or ServiceNow. Now it is enabled as ServiceNow. And we've selected one of our pre-canned approvals just for the sake of the testing, and we will save. We will select the production environment and we'll go to the approvals settings. Now it is set for LaunchDarkly, though we want to enable ServiceNow as an integration point, and we'll select one of the standard templates just for the sake of the testing from ServiceNow that will be used for the approvals. And now we'll save the settings. Now we have an integration established between LaunchDarkly platform and the ServiceNow environment, and we've seen the setup happening in both areas. Let's give it a try and test it. Let's go to a feature flag under the ServiceNow production environment, and we'll select the first feature flag that we have here, which is workflow tests. Let's click it. We'll change it. Let's request the approval, and we'll say now we can see that it's pending review and the ServiceNow environment is triggered. Let's go to the ServiceNow environment and approve it. We'll just progress the approval as super users. We'll just move it to the implement state. And let's go back to the LaunchDarkly to see what happened here. Let's refresh it. Now it is in an approved state. We can see here that it's already approved based on what happened on the approvals that we've given from ServiceNow environment. All we need to do is apply changes in production, and we apply it. And now the changes has been applied and the service is ready on the LaunchDarkly environment. The flag is enabled or disabled, is toggled to the state that we targeted for. And thank you so much for your attention.